Just that little bit right there, man. Yo, what's up everybody? I'm in Oklahoma City, Suzuki demo event. Very excited. This is the GSX R-1000. Not the R, but just the R-1000. But still should be a pretty awesome ride.
Kind of interesting. As long as you go ahead and make sure you're neutral.
Yes, sir.
On this new bike, check that out. You don't have to clutch, you don't have, as long as you're neutral.
That's nice.
I'll show you real quick. You're in traction control 1, which is fine because this thing has a 10-stage traction control, right?
10
By the
stage.
time you get up to 10, it takes over the bike. So just to engage or to lock it, that was moving. You're in A mode, which is a full engine performance. Just get a feel for it before you go crazy.
Okay. Man, the clutch is so light on these bikes, man. It's crazy. Oh, this one does not have the quick shifter like the R. Okay. Initial impressions again. Comfortable. I mean, minimum pressure on my wrist. So chill. Now I rode the not Type R. I rode the R-1000R last weekend up in New Hampshire at their demo event. And I rode this one at MotoGP a couple months ago. Okay, the shifter is super tactile. Like it just snips right into gear, smooth, but it's a really positive gear change. Like you know you're in gear. Bike feels light as a feather. Got to drop a gear and wake her up a little bit. Oh yeah, this bike does have rider modes and it has 10 levels of traction control. 10 levels, man. So I'm in A with traction control 1. So A should be the highest power setting with the least intrusive traction control. Oh, just a little bit. I mean, bike is smooth, bike is comfortable. Suspension is on the softer side for sport bikes, but that's a good thing. Throttle is super smooth. Oh man, I so want to take this curve at speed. She's starting to howl. This bike is starting to howl. Rear brake and front brake are super strong. Dude, I'm thinking, is it just with the Japanese bikes that have these really nice, strong rear brakes? Woo! Ooh! Ooh! Oh, man! Just that little bit right there. Just that little bit right there. Man. I was just starting to get into the meat of the power band on this bike. Man, this bike is still so comfortable. Even on the highway, you can just chill out. I love this bike. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. But I would spend a little bit more and go ahead and get the R-1000R, so I can get the bilateral quick shifter, the Showa balance-free front forks and balance-free rear shock. And I think it gets you one other extra feature. That's crazy. Yeah, guys, I do apologize for being quiet on this ride, but I just got really caught up in the ride. Like, this bike is everything they said it is. And it's like, I rode the R1 last summer and I loved it, don't get me wrong, but this bike feels lighter. Now, the R1 sounded better because of the cross-plane engine, so I like that. But I mean, dude, it's just a toss-up between all the liter bikes right now. Like, you really can't go wrong. They're all that good. '18 Suzuki GSX R-1000. Beautiful bike.